Now, let's say you have an assignment to submit to your Google Classroom. And that assignment could be an essay, a report, a project that you have to type in Microsoft Word. But instead of using Microsoft Word, you can create the assignment or your answer in the Google Classroom itself using a Google document. So we're going to look at how to create a Google document and submit it in your Google Classroom. So let's go to my Google Classroom, click on to the class, click classwork, and here I have the assignment. Click on the assignment, click view assignment. In view assignment, to the right side, you will see add or create. Let's click on that. And I have some options here. One is create new doc. So that's going to create a Google Doc. So I'm going to click on that and it's creating the doc. So that doc is going to be stored to your Google Drive. Okay, it's done. I'm going to click on it. And it opens and it looks very similar to Microsoft Word. So I can type my assignment here. And I can change the file name here. So to the top, I click, I deleted what was there, I typed in a new file name, press enter on the keyboard. And when I'm done, I can click on the X and my document is still there. Now, let's say I'm not completed with my document. I want to stop there and come back later. I can do that. I can come out of Google Classroom and then go back into the assignment, click on the document, and it's still there. So whatever I typed will remain there, and I can continue with my assignment at a later time. And it's saved in that Google Doc. Now, when you're ready to submit that assignment, to submit that Google Doc, you click on Turn In. When you click on Turn In, you're telling the teacher, you're telling me that your work is ready to be corrected. So I'm going to click on Turn In and click on Turn In again. And that's it.